So how can you make a Google Meet on the iPhone? Let's explain that. So if you're new on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So yeah, you have more ways how you can do this. Of course, get the Google Meet application on your device. It's very useful. And in there, you can create a brand new one by clicking on the new, right? And you essentially just create a link like that. You tap on create a link, and you can see then we have the meet.google.com / these like random letters. And this is like a code for the meeting, right? So you can basically join it right away or copy and share it with other people for them to join as well, right? So that's how you can create a brand new meeting, right? If that's what you're going after. On the other hand, the other best way to do this, if you ask me, is to go to the Google Calendar app if you have it and just create a brand new event. Like you specifically choose a title, specific date, and a time. And in there, you also add the video conferencing. So when you click on this, you can see we have the Google Meet, which shows up. So you can just continue with the event, set it up the way that you prefer. And once you save it, there is also going to be a brand new link for your Google Meet meeting. So even if you like add a guest or invite other people, they'll be able to join with the very same meeting, and you'll be able to talk about some whatever is going on, right? But if that's how you can just create a new meeting through the calendar as well, right? So that's pretty useful if you ask me. So let me know if it worked out well for you as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials and videos like this one.